friends, welcome to Crumbs and Curries. In today's video, we will learn how to make chili cheese ball. So without further delay, let's begin. Let's quickly see all the ingredients that we need for this recipe. In a bowl, take 2 egg yolks and beat well. Add some salt and green chilies. Adding green chili is totally up to your choice. I am using 2 tablespoons here because I like it spicy. But if you don't like it so spicy, you can reduce the spice part. Then add the coriander leaves and again mix it thoroughly. In goes the black pepper and then the mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. If you want to use cheddar cheese or processed cheese, also you can do that. Mix thoroughly this. Make sure this batter is not too soft or runny. If at any point you find it soft, you can always add some more cheese to it and adjust the consistency. And last, I will be adding the Italian seasoning. Now we will make small balls out of this mixture. Once the balls are ready, refrigerate it for 15 minutes. Next step, crack 3 eggs, beat it well, add salt and pepper to it. After 15 minutes, I have took out the cheese ball from the refrigerator. Now one by one, like so, I will dip it into the plain flour. Then it goes into the egg mixture and finally we will coat it very well into the breadcrumbs. We'll do the same with all other cheese balls. The next step is to refrigerate this again for another 5 minutes. So friends, before I start frying the cheese ball, I will again dip and roll the cheese ball into the egg and the breadcrumb mixture. This will give a nice thick coat to the mixed balls. At the same time, it will also prevent it from getting any cracks once it gets into the hot oil. Now friends, we'll start frying the cheese balls. Just make sure that the oil is not too hot. Just it's somewhere between low to medium flame. You need to fry all the cheese balls one by one. And you need to fry it till it turns out nice, golden and crispy from outside. So friends, finally our chili cheese balls are ready, and see how cheesy and yummy they look. Definitely they taste also even better. Do subscribe if you like this video, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for more such amazing videos. Thank you.